How to make a QR code using Canva and share it creatively. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to make a QR code, first of all you need a particular URL. So for that, I'm going to simply launch Instagram and show it as an example. So if I want to make the QR code for my Instagram account, you can simply tap on the profile and tap on share profile. Here, simply select on the copy link option. Now let's go back and simply launch the Canva application on a device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now tap on the more icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and here you can simply see the option of apps. So tap on apps, and as you do that you'll be able to discover various sort of apps, so you can simply wait for a while until it loads all the apps. So tap on the search bar and search for QR code generator. So let's search for QR code generator and you'll be able to find the application. So make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device as well. So as you do that, you'll be able to see the option of QR code. So let's tap on the QR code option. Now tap on use an existing design over here for now. So let's just wait and tap on use an existing design, or you can simply just go with use a new design. So I'm going to tap on use a new design. I'm going to select a particular size. For now, let's select on social media, and as we tap on social media, you'll simply be able to first of all select the format. So let's select the format over here, and as we select the format, we'll be able to simply tap on the QR code generator and just paste the URL, and we'll be able to create the QR for ourselves as well. So here's the format. So let's wait and see if it loads the page over here. So let's wait for a while again and simply tap on the option of QR code generator. So here you'll be able to see the option of QR code generator since we have already tapped on it. So let's tap on QR code. And as we tap on QR code, here you just have to enter the URL that we copied from Instagram, and then tap on generate code. So as we do that, so here you can simply see the QR code. Now if you want to share it, you can simply tap on the icon at the top right corner of the screen and tap on download, or you can directly share the link to other people. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.